Presenting the 2015 Dodge Grand Caravan. Grab life by the horns. It's powered by front-wheel drive, a 3.6-liter, 6-cylinder engine, and an automatic transmission. The features include an alarm system, roof rails, power liftgate, independent suspension, brake assist, traction control, stability control, daytime running lights, anti-lock brakes. Inside you'll find third-row seats, Bluetooth connectivity, an auxiliary input, steering wheel controls, rear temperature controls, curtain head airbags, front airbags, side airbags, child safety locks, cruise control. Great quality at a great price. Call or click to contact us today.